up everyone, and welcome to another video about the app lifestyle, the place where the world is literally in the palm of your hands. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the Uber referral program that also extends to Ubereats. Now you may be wondering what's up with the title of the video, which is don't use my referral information, and we're going to get into that right now. So Uber has recently made a change to their referral program, as you can see on the screen. And the change is no one person can receive more than 50 referrals total from Uber. So what that means is if a person has received more than 50 total referrals from Uber, then they're no longer eligible to receive any referral money. Now that doesn't impact the person who is signing up. They're still eligible to get a referral guarantee based on what's going on in their city. But the person they signed up under may not necessarily get anything. Now for me in particular, I've received more than 50 referral rewards, which means I can no longer get any more money from Uber when it comes to Uber referrals. So with that being the case, if there's anyone else that you want to sign up under and you know that they haven't made 50 referral rewards, I want you to go ahead and sign up under them. This is important for the newer drivers that are just getting involved with the platform. Let's say you learn about Ubereats from someone in your local market, but you typed in Ubereats training online, my information popped up and you learned a lot from me. So you want to go ahead and sign up using my code. Don't do that. Go ahead and sign up using the other person's code, because at least both of y'all can still get something out of it. Now let's say if you just found my information online and you have no one else to sign up under, then go ahead and use my information, because at least you'll still get a sign-on bonus. If you don't have a code at all, then you're not going to get anything. But if you do use my information or anyone's information, you can still potentially get a bonus. So I want to let everyone know that this is the case now, and don't use my information unless you don't have anyone in your local market that you could sign up under. As for the channel, I never really fully did this for the referrals anyway, so content is still going to be happening on the channel. No need to worry about that. But some of y'all may be wondering, okay, Elijah, if we can't support you by using your referral code and you're not going to get anything out of it, what other ways can you support you? And I very much appreciate that. So there are three main ways that you can support me, and doing any one of these, I'd greatly appreciate it. But the first one is actually to subscribe to my second YouTube channel called Financial Anatomy. There I talk about personal finance, side hustles, ways to make money online, offline, as well as how to budget your money for success. So if you're a driver, you probably will be interested in those things anyway, because you want to make more money. So be sure to check that out. Subscribe to that channel. That's a great way to support me. And it's also full of information that could potentially help you if you're looking to make more money, which if you're on the app lifestyle, chances are you want to make more money. The second way is actually to get my book, The Anatomy of Financial Success. Now, with it being a book and a lot of people going to be driving, you may not have time to actually read it, but lucky for everyone, I've actually produced the audiobook version and I narrated it myself. So I'm going to leave a link to that in the description as well as the pinned comment. You can definitely grab that book. It's very much appreciated, and you'll learn a lot about how to build different streams of income, and once you get that money, how to manage it specifically geared to your personality so you can achieve financial success. And while we're on the topic of the book, I should mention that you could listen to it for free on Audible. I'll leave that link in the description too. But once you're on the page, just click on Audible and you can listen to it for free with a 30-day free trial with Audible. And the third way that you can support me is actually by getting the merch. It's a little, it's straightened out now. But I have merch and clothing available in the App Lifestyle store. So you can definitely check that out. You see something that grabs your eyes, then feel free to grab it. And an interesting thing about the shirt is this has the potential to actually get you some referral money if you wear it while doing deliveries, because people are gonna wonder, whoa, so you're doing DoorDash or Uber Eats or whatever it is you're doing, and they may have an interest in doing it. And this shirt is like an open invitation for them to talk to you. And you can go ahead and say sign up with my referral information, and then you can go ahead and get some referral money yourself. Because if you haven't received 50 referral rewards with Uber, then you can still get some referral money. So you can use this shirt to maximize that, or any other gear from the App Lifestyle store, since The gear is an invitation for someone to talk to you, and once they talk to you, you get them your information as far as your referral code. You can make some extra money on the side. But that does it for this video. I just wanted to let y'all know that don't sign up using my referral code unless you don't have anyone in your local market that you can sign up under. Then go ahead and sign up under me, because then you could still get a potential bonus guarantee. But just be aware, I'm not going to get anything out of it, and that's fine. In addition to this, I'm going to try something new on the channel. So on my second channel, Financial Anatomy, I review financial books, and I always let everyone know that if they want me to review a particular book, just leave it in the description. Leave it in the comment section, and we'll take a look at reviewing it. And I'm going to follow that same blueprint on this channel, except for apps. So if you know of any apps that you can use to make some decent money and you want to see it reviewed on the channel, or you want to see content on how to make money with that app, feel free to put it in the comments and we'll take a look at making some content for that particular app. So I will catch y'all in the next video. Be safe and profitable. See ya.